gonna be brave too. I'm gonna tell Louise I like her.
You like Louise? Your face, I knew it. Good for you. Now's your chance. No, go.
So, this dance.
I have a date. I'm going to the dance with Oisin.
Cool. That's amazing, Louise.
You really think so?
Of course. Oisin's sound.
Jess, I'm going to the dance with Oisin.
Yeah, I heard.
Oh my God, we should all go together.
When hell freezes over.
So there's no one that you dance with?
No, but I might go anyways, just to make fun of you dopes.
Let's go plan.